Hello friends, so today I am going to tell you and share you the designs how to make an Arabic mehndi. So just focus on what I am drawing here. Already I have taken a structure of a hand and now I am gonna draw an Arabic mehndi on this. So just look at how I am drawing it. For the starting it, we can start with the strokes which you might have learned in your basics. That shall be given like this, or else you can start them with the parsleys or some flowers, whatever you feel to start with. But best option to start with is the best option is these strokes, which I prefer most of the times. So just look at the base. I've taken one squirrel to make a flower, and now I'm making a flower base from this. I'll be drawing some shadings on that. I'm done with the shading. Again I'm gonna draw a layer of full humps on this. So this is our base of Arabic mehndi we can take. Either you can start with the peacock shape without his feather. Now I am taking a second turn. While drawing Arabic, you have to focus that you can go with more and more strokes patterns, and do not take too much of the feathers in this. Just see how I'm adding. While drawing, keep cleaning your cone's tip. This is the general basic which I am showing you now. Nowadays, along with this, there are many other and new patterns of Arabic mehndi have been came. This is the most of the time used flower pattern. You can do shading on the top of this flowers petals. And add a dot on this starting point of this flower. While drawing Arabic mehndi, focus that you will use more and more strokes so that your mehndi becomes more beautiful with the different types of the dark and light patterns. Hope you all are being able to see this. Like this, we can take the side patches to enhance our bridal or this kind of semi-bridal Arabic mehendis. I have used this filler. Apart from this, you can use other fillers or checks patterns as well. But don't make this Arabic in that pattern of Indian. You shall not get any Indian mehndi feel in this. It should be a Arabic only, or else it will become an Indo-Arabic pattern. You have seen how I have taken the strokes. Now again on this base I'll take a flower. This flower I am taking in a different pattern of. I am doing shading on the top of the petals. Just look. While shading, you have to focus on one side only, as either if you are taking shading by upside of the petal, take by same side for all the petals, or else your mehndi will go destroyed and it will not look in a one way. Now I am drawing some leaves. Which will enhance the beauty of this flower. Seeing how I am turning the same design patterns into the finger. This design which I am taking is called as a honeybee. If you want to make your this Arabic mehndis more beautiful, try to practice this and this types of these strokes more and more. Now I'm adding all the fingers with some light and beautiful designs which will enhance the beauty. Most of the times Arabic mehndi should be on the one finger itself, but it depends on the choice of the people, whoever are getting it done. You can draw other fingers